How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Okay, we are going to slow it down. So repeat after me. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Let's say it a little faster. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? You might want to first say sir or ma'am. And to say that, you say oiga. And that's for a man and a woman. You say oiga. For example, sir, how much does this cost? Oiga, ¿cuánto cuesta? Ma'am, how much does this cost? Oiga, ¿cuánto cuesta? Now say somebody younger than you, and you just say, oye. It's like saying, hey, how much is this? Oye, ¿cuánto cuesta? So remember, for somebody older than you, you just say, oiga. Somebody younger than you, you say, oye. By the way, to ask, how much does it cost? Or how much is this? You say, ¿cuánto cuesta? The same way, okay? For example, how much does this cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much is this? ¿Cuánto cuesta? So it's the same way, you say it the same way.